And there comes Mr. Daniel testing the old ultralight. He says he has no brakes. He might be in some serious trouble now. We're testing it out to make sure that the oil leak in the head gasket is sealed. So he's trying to warm up the engine so that we can make sure that it's not leaking. He's out behind the barn now. Fortunately, oh, here he comes. He just happened to tell me on the way by that he doesn't have any brakes, but he looks like he's having a good time. Trimming the branches on the tree. Kay's running for cover. Well, let's go see if our repair job worked.